Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Team Trunks channel where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to be working with automated, you know, uh, automated text and DM responses in Excel. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, already started. Okay. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're at the Tech Team Trunks channel today. We are going to be taking a look at the idea of making texting and stuff real efficient, and here's why. We're going to be doing the automated text and DM responses. So be sure to subscribe. Today is actually the 11th, and that is important. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, get in the comments below if you got anything. And that will be important later. All right, let's go. All right. So, over the past couple of months, the sheer amount of folks from various platforms citing DMs have become overwhelming. I knew of a tool that I have created for the situation where many statements can be canned as a listed series of items, and placed into the PC, laptop, mobile device clipboard for pasting into the receiving app chat window. Instead of typing good morning 20 or so different people and 5 different apps, I could just use semi-automation to avoid typing typos or inefficiency. I could use a simple form to place the string of text I want to say in the clipboard and click paste in the receiving app. So the thing is, I don't know, this applies to you. This is more for people that got anywhere from more than that to 40 to 50 people messaging them from various platforms. If you are a TikTok creator, that is something that you might be familiar with. So if you ever get tired of retyping things and phrases, the same thing said over and over again repeatedly, then it's something that you might want to do. What if you could go between all your devices and use a semi-automatic system that saves typing? I don't like to type much of everything unless I'm creating something. Well, so also be sure to check out our Shorts channel, the Tech and Effect channel. All right. And furthermore, any music for this channel is done by Psychotic Orbit, and we specialize in rock, metal, groove, industrial, techno, bass, experimental. You visit psychoticorbit.com. And also, don't sleep on the new CD that we have. Either Grid, there's some really interesting stuff on there. It's available exclusively on SoundCloud for Psychotic Orbit. Okay. And also, don't sleep on our services. PRW Digital Services at prwdigital.us. Digital services done right. As it applies here, we could discuss cloud available solutions for modern needs. Regarding the cloud solutions, we got software solutions custom developed for diverse business needs, integration support, seamless integration with business systems, get all the systems to kind of talk to you, get the job done, bust and reliable. Let's go. All right. Be sure to cough up them likes, folks. Share the video, smash the like button below, subscribe now to the channel. If not already subscribed, hit the notification bell to get all the notifications from us. Okay. All right. So here's the problem zone. 100 or so people may be waiting for me to respond. I may have to ghost 50 or so people because I'm out of time. I may have to spend more time typing repetitive items than I really want to. I may have to correct typos on things that I type on a regular basis. Other planned tasks like deadlines may be delayed or canceled entirely. My message isn't as consistent across different individuals as I would like. I don't want to be typing the same sentence over and over again. It needs so much time every day. So, working with this for years, I've come up with a solution. But before in the past, I didn't respond. I only responded to a few people, but left them hanging. Everything that was said. it's kind of hard. It's a lot of typing. I don't got time for that. I have to say I don't have time for people. But our current solution increases the reach for me. Instead of scrolling through a large list of responses from a text file, I can type part of what I need to say to narrow the list. Tap or click on the string, and the string is sent to the device clipboard and ready to be pasted into another app, DM, chat window, screen. So you have the first initial window, you select from the drop down, you have those buttons there. Then our current solution menu. Instead of, and this is how it looks, basically you have like, if you type in good, anything that has the word good, inherently this Excel system works like this, and it comes up good, and you select the type of that instead of having to type that over. The information is actually stored in a data sheet and can be edited as a normal entry in any Excel spreadsheet. And when you open this screen, it defaults to the last item. And we'll be demonstrating, so stay tuned. So be sure to click the like button, share the video with a friend. Now, our solution is we're actually able to get through those 100 and so DMs with a quick and timely response. Nobody is left hanging or ghosted because of time constraints. We turn something that may take an hour or more into a brief matter of minutes. We can maintain a consistent message. We can minimize typographical errors, and we can get other tasks done, communicate with clients, friends, family, etc., and still have time in the day to be human, not looking at a screen. Yeah, you no longer have to type good morning, how are you today 9 to 20 times in one day. You can save money and time getting to the lead or the cell. Pretty cool. All right, so that's the solution we have, and that's the kind of the benefits. So here, what I have for us is a demo, kind of like through how I would work it on a device or something. Feature. Basically, what happened is, I'm going through, and I might have to say something to somebody. So I go into my thing and see if they're most. This is a real scarce list that I have for this test environment. My environment's a little bit different, so I wanted to use the program. Obviously, that is not in there what I wanted to say. If it's not there, you're going to get an error message, and then you got an opportunity if you click add to enter what you want to say into the text window. I was going to try and copy it, so that's what I'm going to do, and that's good. Into that effect to hear, yeah, good to hear. I'm going to send it in this case, and I am going to copy it back into that because this is like, a new text that's not on the list. I'm going to click, that's good to hear. When I click enter, it gets saved, it gets entered in the list. And then when you go back to view that data, you can see that what I typed is just there in that list. And you got the view data, hide data buttons. That's what that does. That will speed up for you instead of you have screen and do all that. So now on the PC, we're going to show you when you get to the protective view, you want to enable editing to use the macro. Then it's going to oftentimes run you into this. Then if that happens, that means it's restricted from running the macro, and the macro will not run because it does not, your system or whatever does not recognize what I have sent or you've downloaded from me, and that's okay. That's normal. So we go to the trust center, and then we go to trusted locations, and we open that drive or folder, copy that address, and add it to a new location. Okay. Do not forget to add subfolders of this location or to be trusted. Select that, click OK, click OK, close the program, reopen the file, and everything should be fine, right? That's how it works. All right, so this is a slower system that I'm working with here. It does take a second, and that's okay. It did load. Everything's ready to go. All right. So anytime you click the add button, that pop-up's gonna come up and ask you for your text. There's only so much get in that text box. The whole system wide, I think it's about 5,000 strings of text. Usually, the whole. Of course, it can hold more, but that's required customization. And this is how it's work. It's basically you select from the list, and it goes into your clipboard and things like that. We'll do one more example. Select from the list one of my phrases, and then I will go to the notepad, paste or something. That window keeps coming up for whatever reason. They busy and stuff. So this is a good example. And it takes it right out of your clipboard when you hit the paste, puts it right in your clipboard when you select it from the list. So it makes something that would take a lot more muscle movement into something that takes a lot less muscle movement. It kind of saves you a lot of time and it all adds up. If a string is found, it'll tell you the cell reference that it is found at. So we're going to go take a look at that and view that data. It'll take you right to the last cell that has an entry, but it's about B14s. That's exactly it for our cells. Make sure you have no spaces and things like that to keep your list clean, character based, and simple things like that. And using the search feature kind of helps with long lists. The list I have is really long, and my system is a little bit more elaborate because this is what I do. I get this stuff as a hobby. Now I got a variation. I add it to the list. Hide data. Anytime you view data, it goes right back there. Anytime you want to restart it, you click the restart button and it'll restart in 3 seconds or so. Anytime you're done, it's real convenient to have an exit button, especially if you're on your mobile device and you want to get out of that. So the thing is, we do have a couple of options here. We could continue to type out redundant text statements, which I'm not going to do. We could continue to lose time. I'm not doing that. We could be subject to typographical errors. Not my thing. We could put in the time and effort to create a system for yourself that solves these issues. I did that. Or we could do nothing. Not doing nothing. But for you guys, I encourage you guys all to put in the time and effort to create a system like this for yourself. Maybe you could talk about it in the comments section or something like that. But furthermore, if you want to save yourself the headache of all the choices before, which all come with their cost, you can download a copy of the text response tool for your personal and or business use, and it's available via Etsy shop at the link below. We'll put that out there for you. Great stuff. It's very handy. Save you a lot of time. And the requirements basically for basic PC use is a working PC that runs Microsoft Office 365 in your Windows environment. And that's just using it on the PC. Now, if you want to use it the way I use it in a robust global mobile use type situation, you have to have a Microsoft 365 account. You have to have a remote, VPS and RDP capable Windows client, or so, Windows Server, something like that. The text response tool, both basic and robust, require the text response tool itself and Microsoft 365. So you need the macro, the software, the client, VPS server if you're on the global, and that's how I do it. That allows me to be anywhere in the world and respond to text messages in a standard, consistent message method. Now the pricing is a little funny. For today's special offer is if you're watching this when I upload this on July the 11th, 2026, which that is today, that's the video up today, and you're like the first few people that get to watch this, consider yourself lucky. If you find this useful for you, feel free to come and get it for $17.99. The regular retail price that I would charge for this is $89.99. Now, here's the trick, okay? First of all, the today's price is not going to be tomorrow's price. So if you saw this video today, here's a couple of things that can happen. If you saw this video and it's way past July 19th, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, because periodically I might have some live events going that may feature great specials on things like this to make it. The regular price is $89.99. Today's price is $17.99 on July the 11th, for which I've uploaded this video. Tomorrow, July the 12th, will be $28.99. 13th will be $38.99. 14th of July will be $48.99. 15th of July, $59.99. 16th of July, $69.99. 17th of July, $79.99. And the 18th of July and beyond and will be $89.99. Now, There is a slight chance that we'll be running specials on this again, but this is where it is, and I think it'll probably fit a more live event if we had the traction on live event. So subscribe to the channel, help us get that traction. All right, so here's the deal. So with today's price, like I said, you got to stay tuned for future events, promotions, and discounts. Thank you, and hope to help you save time text messaging or DMing redundant phrases you may frequently use or say. Once again, all of this system is available as far as the macro itself. Microsoft 365 you get from Microsoft. The vendor, you go out and get your VPS vendor, or you get your computer or whatever. That's a different thing. For me, today you get the macro for $17.99. The price goes up if it's beyond July 18th. The price will be the regular price, and you have to wait for specials. So these prices do and will rise daily. So it is best to just act now. Thank you all for being here with me and watching this wonderful video. If you have any questions, you can email me at my info at techteamtronics.net. You could also check out info at techteamtronics.net, and what we discussed in the video will be linked below. Once again, thank you for having spending time with me, and have a great day. Take care.
It's DJ 3T.